This short video explores how the Office of Government and Property have been evaluating the ArcGIS platform as a pre-integrated solution to meet the requirements of the Digital National Asset Register. Esri's ArcGIS platform is the market leader in building mapping and spatial analysis software for desktop, software as a service and enterprise applications. It is supported by an extensive library of authoritative datasets, off-the-shelf configurable focused applications for mobile, web and desktop, and established and open APIs and SDKs. In the context of the Digital National Asset Register, using the ArcGIS platform enables you to, in an agile manner, quickly create tools, applications and reports that make it easier to capture information, drive insights and answer policy questions about the public estate. Interactive dashboards surfacing live property data can be used to explore asset KPIs and their interrelationships. Here, tenure type in South East England is filtered to freehold to look at the total occupied floor area. Or we can filter by the next year of lease break dates and then look at property costs to help pinpoint properties of interest. These properties' detailed attributes can then be accessed, browsed and information gathered, and then the context of their locations can then be further assessed on the map. These simple configurable tools enable insightful analysis to be carried out that can support business and policy decision making. Property records in the asset register can be maintained by simple to use configurable editing tools that enforce business rules at the point of capture. Here we can see a new property site being captured from land registry data and attributes such as local authority and building area automatically calculated by the system, which reduces the amount of time to edit the data. Locational rules such as a building must be within inside a property site can also be enforced. Here, a new building is being captured from Ordnance Survey master map data. And fields are passed through from the property site, and pick lists and mandatory fields are enforced. Business rule errors and warnings can also be applied when the user saves. Here we are seeing an error that the building must have at least one occupation before saving. The user can create related occupation records, fill in the required information about the occupation usage, floor area, and other attribution, and then resave the record. This time, only warnings are shown that the user can choose to ignore action. For example, that the building usage does not have a value, or that other non-mandatory fields are not filled in. These configurable, simple-to-use tools lower training costs, improve data quality and currency, and make the likelihood of organizational uptake higher. The ArcGIS platform has a rich set of analytical and reporting tools to support discovery and insight into the Digital National Asset Register. Here, an analyst is filtering by department for business, energy and industrial strategy properties for medium-sized vacancies. Once filtered down, the analyst can then apply a drive time analysis to look at distances within 5, 10 and 15 miles from the property, and then blend that with demographic data that can be embedded into the reports. So here we can see a breakdown of the population by age, and also some other metrics such as total households and average house prices. Property data, statistics and analysis can be dynamically presented in interactive configurable websites, where maps, charts, images and text can be embedded to create a narrative, such as the State of the Estate report. Here, the size of the estate is shown as both the number of buildings and the occupied net internal area, broken down by department and region. The charts can be interactively explored, driving deeper insight into the estate statistics. Here, we're looking at the cost of the estate, which can be correlated with the occupied net internal area, showing that there is a disproportionate cost unit area for London and for the South East. Using an ArcGIS Online open data site, datasets in the Digital National Asset Register can be made available to the public and to the wider business. Data can be explored and either downloaded or accessed via an API, allowing data services to be embedded in third-party applications and systems.